Local news for Thursday the 29th of November. Low-flying helicopters will be checking power lines running from Upper Hutt to Masterton today and tomorrow. Crews will be visually inspecting lines, which means you may sometimes see a person hanging below the helicopter to get a better look at the conductors. In celebration of his 3 wins at this year's VNZMAs for Album of the Year, Best Solo Artist and Best Video, Marlon Williams will perform in Wairarapa, set to play with the Don McGlashan Band and Emily Fairlight. Marlon's The Tūranga Railway Tour hits Masterton's Lunar Estate on the 24th of February. And the New Zealand Mobile Surgical Service has welcomed an agreement in principle to extend its operating contract from 1 to 3 years, saying this will enable greater delivery of surgery solutions to rural New Zealanders. The service operates from a custom-built truck operating a full operating theatre and services 24 communities from Kaikohe to Balclutha. Having been in Wairarapa earlier this month, it's due back in February. And in sport, tonight sees the Wairarapa Māori Sports Awards, the annual event. Sees some tough competition tonight, so good luck to all the finalists.